Let's suppose that you were able every night to dream any dream you wanted to dream.
Our first time ever out on our sailboat on our own.
And you would naturally, as you began on this adventure of dreams, you would fulfill all your wishes. You would have every kind of pleasure, see. And after several nights, you would say, well, that was pretty great. But now let's have a surprise. Let's have a dream which isn't under control. Well, something is going to happen to me that I don't know what it's going to be. Then you would get more and more adventurous, and you would make further and further out gambles as to what you would dream. And finally, you would dream where you are now.
After the best sailing season we could have ever imagined, we flew back to Birmingham for a few months to reset our Schengen visas. Now's the time to fly back to Spain and carry on the adventure from Almerimar. It's been a crazy ride already. Let's see what this year holds for us. Oh yeah, see ya. I'm going on an adventure. That's it.
It's all got to fit in these little cars.
You guys don't even know what all this stuff is yet. We haven't told you. We'll show you when we get on the boat what we've packed, like why there's so much stuff. I'm out of breath. Let's see if it all fits. It fit. Oh. You remember my lovely old pops, don't you? Oh? Oh, hello. 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 It's me. Everyone remembers Mom and everyone, of course, remembers Coco. You're lovely. Jump in. Dad, you're the best. Thank you. Love ya.
Love ya. We have so much luggage, like.
My exes and me, we don't talk anymore. If we did, I think it would get pretty ugly. They made me believe love's an open door in the beginning, then they shut it pretty quickly. I thought we were good, at times even great, but apparently I was just one big mistake. My exes and me, we don't talk anymore. If we did, I think it would get pretty ugly.
She's tucked in safely for the ride. No one even knows what this is.
I know.
Guys, what do you think this is? We have landed. We've landed in Malaga, and our superhero Brendan has come to pick us up.
Absolutely. We are so grateful. And look, we got pasta
This is going to
crew.
be our charms now. Amulets for good luck.
Yeah.
Mr. and Mrs. Pasta, who was holding a sign. Killed me.
That's us, Mr. and Mrs. Pasta.
I mean, can we actually cook these later or what? We've got no food on the boat.
I don't really care.
Looking orange.
Very, very orange.
Very orange. But she's here, that's the main thing.
That is the important bit. So Brendan's pretty much massively just helped us out getting everything back on the boat. Where is it? Your boat? Bella Medina. So yeah, he's heading back there now. Thank you again so much for picking us up and helping us out. Jade's getting absolutely blown about up there. Oh, Let me out into the wild, wild west. Oh my god, it's so orange. Yeah.
I'm back!
I'm so happy to be back. Talisman, I've missed you so much.
I've missed you too, Talisman. We're not going to talk too much now because we just want to get the boat back in order.
Yeah.
But I wanted to show you. This is going to keep us busy for a couple of hours or so.
Absolutely.
Isn't it?
There's more here.
And then also, somehow all this is going to fit in. We think someone stole our ladders, by the way.
They definitely did. I took a photo of what's happened.
Yeah.
Our ladders and stuff was locked up to the boat and they propped the lock. I'll show you.
Not happy with that.
No.
So we had to go and borrow some more, but we need to sort something out while we're here. But
Yeah.
yes, that was a bit annoying, and the boat is extremely sandy, so we'll show you some more of that later or tomorrow, and it's blowing a gale. But we're here.
Yeah.
We're so excited, so tired, but so happy. Guys, we've got to tell you, we've got the nicest boat neighbours ever here.
Absolutely.
We've just met a couple called Peter and Ingrid. They just came over to Talisman and bought some drinks, bought some wine, bought a case of beer, and more importantly, we are absolutely starving. And they just so happened to bring over some crisps and some
snacks.
chocolate. Oh my god, how kind is that? And also a really lovely note with it.
So they wrote, Talisman was brought by Bryn and Jade. As for the rat race, they were simply not made. So they said, cheerio, it's to sea they now go. Both as captain and as first mate. Welcome back to boat life. Peter and Ingrid, SB Cordelia.
How sweet is that? Thank you so
Yes,
much,
thank you,
guys. You
guys.
guys are so kind.
It's meant a lot, like, as we've got back as well.
Yeah, we're so happy to be back anyway, and that's just really been a really lovely welcome back, hasn't it? Right, back to boat work.
Back to boat
Thanks,
work.
guys. And you gave us a nice little crisp break, which was very appreciated.
I don't think you guys have actually seen why we have so much luggage yet, so as I'm going through each bag, I'm just going to very briefly, very quickly kind of show you what's here. So in the first bag, we have a couple of new solar charge controllers, which I managed to grab in England for a good price. Underneath this, we've actually got some new radio equipment, which we're really excited to show you guys. Just a little sneak peek. Case number 2 has, if anyone has guessed it yet, a BCD for scuba diving. And then I think, oh okay, yeah, I know what's in this one as well. So there's some very special little boxes here, and these are all from Vercrew. So this is something exciting as well that we got going onto the boat. Is there any more of them? What else have we got? And we have
This is why all our suitcases are so heavy.
a
Hey!
tin of anti-foul. Now this one weighs an absolute ton, but there isn't actually much in here. So we've got a couple of JB Weld and the heat treated epoxy, I think it is. What is it called? Yeah, temperature resistant epoxy putty JB Weld. So we got those just because it's good to have on a boat.
True.
We then also have another, yes, these are our BCDs from home, from when we used to dive. So we brought them with us this time. We decided we are going to keep them on the boat.
No good sitting in Birmingham, are they?
No, not at all. This is just butyl tape. And then this next thing is such a game changer. So I just want to say thank you to Stuart and Liz on sailing boat Vamoose, which is also a Stag 28. They upgraded their windlass. And when they did, they actually gave us their old one. So this is
So excited for this.
windlass. I can't remember the exact model. Oh, there we go. It's the Lofrans Royal windlass. It's a manual windlass, which we're very happy with as well. But yeah, so grateful. So thank you guys for sorting us out with this. We massively appreciate it. Now this one's a bit of a mixed bag. We got some games. Check those over there. And we have some engine parts. So we actually have brought with us an engine service kit. Then we have some new goodies. This is basically like a type of underwater housing for a GoPro, so we're really excited to get started with this. And this is a big one for me, because I have wanted to film professionally underwater for a very, very, very long time, and I now feel like with the camera that we have and this item in my hand, we can finally achieve that to some degree. So the grand unveiling. This is an underwater camera housing. This is pretty much the cheapest one you can get. It's from Sea Frogs. But yeah, I'm so chuffed to have this with us here this season, so we can get some really cool underwater footage. Okay, so the last but one bag that we have really to show you is, okay, fins. So these are ones that we've had at home from when we used to scuba dive. We thought we'd just bring them with us
As like spares.
as spares. Nice fancy. Oh yeah, look at it.
That's mine. Get your grubby mitts off.
It's mine now. Ta-da!
Ooh.
So these are mine and Jade's new freediving fins.
Oh damn.
So we've both got the exact same fin, and the foot pockets, Jade's got white, I've got black. So yeah, thank you to my mum and sister for getting us these for Christmas. We are so excited to actually use them. Oh. These are just going to help us free dive more efficiently, better, easier on our ankles, because we want to spend so much time in the water. Look at that transparency. Okay, and the last thing out there is actually a new dinghy that we've got from Force 4, so we just want to say thank you to them guys, and we will talk to you more about that in a video later on.
So obviously we mentioned earlier that our ladders got stolen, which was kind of annoying.
Yeah.
Someone cut the lock, so someone took the ladders. There was no one here at the boatyard to go and speak to or anything, and we had to get on the boat. So we went and found a boat that looked like
No one was
wasn't
on
going
it.
to use the ladders. Looked a bit older, and the ladders were just on the floor, not locked in. And we were going to use them and take them back tomorrow.
Yeah.
Then we put them up, went to the shop, came back, and they were gone.
The ladders are gone again, and we did walk over to the boat we took them from, and he has got them back. We did knock on the boat as well to kind of explain the situation rather than someone just thinking we'd stole them.
Yeah.
But yeah, he didn't answer.
And we're going to try and find him tomorrow and tell him that we're not just flipping brummy thieves.
No.
But the guy next door was really nice and he lent us his, so we need to sort out some ladders tomorrow.
Yes, we do.
We've just been to the shop just to get a quick dinner, just hummus and bread, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we thought we'd just talk with you guys what our plans are, because we really want to get back in the water like next week.
As soon as possible.
Or as soon as possible. But we've got a few things to do before then.
Yeah, so essentially, tomorrow morning, we'll take you around the boat. We'll point out the jobs that we absolutely have to get done before we go in the water, and the ones that are probably not as important. But I think it's going to rain over the next couple of days as well, so potentially we'll use that rain to wash the boat, hopefully. And yeah, we'll have a clean start. That's the plan.
So obviously we've been back in Birmingham for quite a few months now, and basically we've just been trying to earn money, doing a lot of socialising, like seeing all our family and friends, and like really soaking in as much of them as we can before we left again.
I've been delivering motorbikes across the UK.
Bryn's been a van man.
And I just want to say thank you to if the people are watching that I worked with, because they were really awesome. So yeah, that was a really good job, and I pretty much started it as soon as I got back, and my last day was 3 days before we flew back, so I was really lucky to have a job for the whole time that we were back, really.
I was obviously editing the YouTube videos still, and like poorly doing the social media. And then doing some just kind of like odd freelance bits here and there. I just wanted to give you a kind of rough idea what our plans are this season. Obviously nothing set in stone, but essentially as soon as we're done here we want to just explore up the Spanish coast a little bit and then cross over to the Balearics.
that's pretty much the solid plans. After that we are heading east, so we will be making our way across the Mediterranean, eventually ending up probably in Turkey, Greece, but we're going to be exploring some of the places in the middle as well, which we're really looking forward to. And pretty much anything after that is we don't know at the minute. There's a lot of options and we don't like to plan that far ahead. No. We like to enjoy the moment a little bit as well. So yeah, the immediate plans, we're just going to soak up some sun, get some diving done and enjoy the Balearics. We're having a bit of a problem.
Oh, we are.
It's very cold and very wet outside. And we have things that we need to do.
It's so difficult to get up.
So I've spoke to the chandlery round the corner and they can refill our gas bottle. So that's a success. We need to go back to the Marina office to pick up the fobs for the toilet because we can't use the toilets at the minute. And we need to go and get some food for today, I think.
Yeah, and laundry.
And we need to do the laundry. I'm getting up now, Jade.
Doesn't look like it.
Is there another spanner? Yeah.
Then we managed to get our Cara gas bottle filled, so it should be done by Saturday, did you say?
Yeah, so what day is it today? Tuesday?
Yes.
It's like 4 days, something like that. It's a while to go without gas, but we'll make it work. We're okay.
We'll make it work. So we're heading to the shop now to get some supplies, food that doesn't need to be cooked.
Yep.
Lots of salads, that'll do us some good anyway.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just going to do laundry and then heading to the supermarket, but so far so good.
Yep.
How much did it cost, the gas bottle?
I think it was 30 to 40 euro. He hasn't got an exact price, just because the prices are changing a lot at the minute, but yeah, 30 to 40 euro. Finally back.
I did not bring any winter clothes at all.
Look at this. Look at this.
This is honestly the warmest thing I've got right now. It's like a dressing gown kimono thing. I have nothing warm. I was not prepared. So tonight's dinner, obviously we have no gas, so we're going for a lovely salad.
Nice healthy salad.
Nice salad.
And do you know what's in this salad, Jade?
What's in this salad, Bryn?
No, I'm asking, do you know what's in the salad?
I know.
Go on then, tell me.
Lettuce, cabbage, onions, tomatoes, olives, peanuts, pickles, carrot, sweet corn.
Yeah, that's pretty much it, with some crunchy onions.
With some crunchy onions.
This is us now, we're going to have a glass of wine and
yep.
Thank you again for this.
Yes, thank you guys. We're going to have a glass of wine, play some chess and just chill out for a bit now, listen to some music.
Cheers.
Cheers. And cheers, everybody. Cheers. We are very out of practice with filming.
Yes, we're really sorry.
I feel like I just totally forgot how to talk to the camera.
Are you even looking at the lens?
No, I'm not. I keep looking at the stupid thingy.
Oh, dear.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah.